Okay, Remco, how many space events did you go last year?
I went to about 15 to 20.
They're all around the world, but how did you find them?
Hearsay, social media, and I always miss the ones that I hear about too late and can't go.
Exactly. Beside the annual events, there are many events happening just for short notice. That's why you want to be updated all the time via some platform that we created actually. spaceagenda.com. So in spaceagenda.com you can find events happening all around the world, and right now, how many we have?
We have about 250 upcoming events for the end of this year and for next year, even going into 2027 already.
And what's the best is that whatever calendar you are using, you can just add any event to your calendar, so you can foresee any schedule conflicts, and the service is completely free for you.
Exactly, and you can filter down to the events that meet your specific requirements, geographically, the type of event, the length of event, whatever it is that you're searching for, you can very easily filter down to your requirements. And this is the time to start planning your own space agenda for 2025. So use spaceagenda.com for your event planning into the year.
spaceagenda.com, and follow us in different social media channels. We are in all because there will be some surprises for you, like discounts in the different events and the latest news from big events as well.
Exactly. So subscribe to our newsletter. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we tell the stories of the major space events around the world. We can't be at all space events. There are over 1,000 events happening for space industry professionals every year, but we cover as much as we can. The calendar is complete, the calendar is free, and you can follow us on all these social media channels, so you never have to miss an event that you want to go to anymore.
Well, we say another day, another space event, and hope to see you in another space event, huh?
Very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.